I greet you all.
Yes.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I greet you all. In a very quick one, I believe that everyone might have known me by now. I am still remaining your humble brother, your humble servant, Ifeanyi Chukwu Okorentaza, aka Gentle the Yahoo. Ayezuru Abo, onye eziokwu na ala Biafra gongom. Whatsoever I tell you here, make your investigation, make your findings. You must find out. Number one, I am here today to represent my humble master, the triple general, Igwe Butozo. Oke nwa n'ala Igbo, ozuru abụọ.
Butozo! Butozo!
Oke nwa n'ala Igbo, ozuru abụọ. And I am also bringing to the table of the entire Biafrans the information, full information. I am not meant to speak much, but I have to speak because of this wonderful privilege. Because it is a wonderful privilege for Gentle to be in the midst like this. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to open the eyes of our people for them to understand the reason of these people tagging us terrorists, criminals in our own mother's land. Biafrans will understand it today, and I will make it openly. I am not afraid of any man. The reason is this: I can only be afraid of that man that can kill this flesh and also have the soul.
Yes.
They say if you fear you die, if you not fear you will die. Why will I fear to fight for my freedom? And Ojukwu did not die in the battlefield. Why will I die in the battlefield? I can never die in the battlefield. I can never die in the battlefield. I am the only person that can come up and speak up the truth. And I can never mask my face. I will always unmask my face. Because I am not a criminal, I am not a terrorist.
No, you're not.
I was born and brought up in Deeper Life, that church that Kumuyu, WF Kumuyu that owns. I was born and brought up there. I was a pastor and a chorister in Deeper Life Bible Missionary Church. As of me, it's justly because of Omegida, the persecution in this land. That was what made me to say no to all these evil ones. I served as a Nigerian soldier for over 6 good years and getting to 7 good years. I served as a soldier in Nigeria, that business center that they used to call a country, which is it have never been a country, and it can never be.
Never.
So I am here to expose many things to direct my people and make them to understand what we are passing through here in the land. And before I proceed, I must give the honor, the triple general. You are. In fact, you are 70 among the 100.
That's right.
He's a wonderful man.
Salute, Butozo.
I really appreciate. And also, Anameme appreciate. We have to go to our own language. I won't Igbo.
Yes, sir.
They are France all over the world. Mande no lolo, mande no zija. Acho mi mekunu water. Tata bo nkwo market Friday. Ana mekele madulila. Lekelu na ebe rinna. Number 1, na muku diere muja.
Please, what is today's date? Before they will say it is AI. What is today's date?
Today's date is 20th of February 2026. In market in Friday. So I'm alive today to highlight to my people what that has been going on in this land. Even as I'm talking to you now, on a photo.
Yes, I know.
On a life also. On your person now, on a life. As I'm talking to you people, but in everything, we believe that. You are not the terrorists, you are not the So I want to appreciate each and every one of you to make at least no one is big, no one is small. Today. And I make a madulila or the easy. Dalon. I know Bunuma, oh, no, West Numa, and I know Bunuma, I had to lose this war.
Yes. Hey!
I want to like this war. We are winning the war. I know winning the war.
Yes.
All this medium war. Only very best about war. He's making a noise.
Yes.
You know not. I'm working all over. In this life.
Yes.
I told me no matter the reason you are the terrorists. And they make no matter the tag terrorists. In the tag terrorists, the Igbo Muslim. Those Igbo Muslim in Biafra land, only tag terrorists. The reason is this. Unulani unapo ever had a preach Muslim na Enugu State. Had a preach about Muslim na Enugu State. But can handle it and had the space. Now, from the whole governors of the Southeast, we take to the Senate of the Southeast. We take to, okay, for instance, no Wambo. And when you hear Banyere, Onya is a governor. And when you hear Chikonya is a governor. Yes, because you are governor, and Onya is a Igbo. Onya is a Chobodo. Also, Onya governor, and Yazia or Chichilania staff. Yeah, for staff. So, Beacon. I am a melata lao come here, Hedota, Melo Bodine. When I'm the Galo Nagua, the people see her, Wunde Yoruba, that these people are coming, About Okoni Beriba. Now, what is happening? Is it not happening in Yoruba land today? Is it not happening in Yoruba land today? What they call is wealth. They are calling it. I make the kidnap one year on years, like Ondo State.
Yes.
1 year Ondo State, or a traditional ruler. They killed him.
Yes.
Because of Nanyanya has space for them to penetrate in our own land. That was now with the terrorist.
Yeah,
now we kidnap. They push us to Lord Panther. Even of people here. Even Abba. Abba. This Peter, this young man like when we are at Peter Obi. Mommy, Atalama for Folija, or this in the Mundo man on like her.
River. Yes, I remember.
Mbabara Paul massacre. Massacre. I was there presently.
Wow.
I was there presently in Mbabara Paul massacre. Okay, yeah, man. Tipa Cage, well, Bozo Mumado. Well, a Bugala Pit. When you brought Mumadi, Peter Obi.
Yes, sir.
When you brought Mumadi that period of time, Peter Obi, when he was a governor. When he was a governor, and indeed, when Ole Kelly, now Peter Obi got president. Peter Obi na chocolate la Luga Osa with la Majiri them. Peter Obi la many things Luga Osa. He go and pay homage to the Osa. Many things that damage la Libo. Can you Peter Obi me la Libo?
Where on?
Now, the restructuring. Now, the restructuring local. That guy no liru. Amo tanka ogoya kolelu. Where me affinity. Member tumbler almost 5-6 times. How do you acquire tear gas? I know what they did. I know how they slaughtered our people. Restructuring. Okay. Mbabara Namde Kalu 2017. I was there presently. What did we do to these people? And whenever I jinaka, and whenever I jinaka, and whenever I jinaka, Manabia open fire. But we have about 20-something people, which Chukwakabiama, Yanaka Nuku. Now, Namde Kalu was arrested. They are throwing allegation on him. That's not Yawa Meneka Benka Benko. Namde Kalu is not giving us any order. Makanonya Jejana and one. Onya Jeji, Anna and one. We are only standing up by him. We stood up by him and we said no to all these evil politicians. All of them watch Muslim tickets. So all of them have already sold their souls. Yes. To all our enemies. Now, Simon Epan have never ever. Simon Epan ammunition. Simon Epan have never got anything bullet, anything gone. We did not receive any order from Simon Epan. We are only receiving order from Igwe Butozo, the Triple General. Okay, well, I'll Biafra. But they are throwing the allegation. But they are throwing the allegation on Simon Epan. Just to use it to probe him. Only to use it to probe him. To tell the world that Simon Epan is a terrorist. Simon Epan have never committed any crime. Finland should release that young man. And I am speaking. Finland should release the young man, innocent man. They are innocent citizen. He did not do anything to them.
Nothing.
And I am still telling them before it will be too late for them. This is AKA Jato the Yahoo. We must defend the motherland. We must defend Alabia.
Yes.
At least with what happened a little time. Finland is supposed to know that Nigeria is a bunch of liars. Nigeria is a carton of propagandas. By coming up officially telling the world that they have killed Gento, coming up to tell the world that they have captured them gentle. That gentle is in their custody. That I have committed a lot of atrocities committed by Simon Ekpan. Am I not here today? We are facing the war right away. And I am alive and I have come alive to address Finland for them to know and understand that all the plans they have with the Nigerian government, we hold it. We are watching. We know everything.
Yes, sir.
I don't have myself. I'm not a criminal. I am not a terrorist, and I can never be a terrorist.
Never.
Never.
Finland, you were aware when military, those Fulani Caliphate, those Fulani in uniform, was terrorizing the Biafran people, the Biafran youth in Aba, rolling them on the dirty water. Finland was aware of it.
Yes.
Finland was aware of all these things. Finland was aware how all these Fulani Caliphate, all these Fulani Janjaweed, all these terrorists, all these jihadis, Boko Haram, Islam, they are aware and they are the sponsor of all these people.
Yes, sir.
They are the sponsor of all these people.
Yes.
They are the sponsors of all these people. That is why they are backing Nigerian government up. And that's why they collude together with Nigerian government to hold Simon Ekpan hostage. They have to release Simon Ekpan. Simon Ekpan did not do anything.
Nah.
Simon Ekpan, we doesn't collect any order from Simon Ekpan. We are only collecting order from the Triple General that sees the calamity, the evil, the atrocities that these people are committing in our land, and they say no to all this evil. And we stood by him and said no to all these calamities happening in Biafra land. So Simon Ekpan is an innocent man. Nnamdi Kanu is an innocent man.
Yes.
Let the world hear it and hear it clearly.
Hear it loud and
This
clear.
is the reason why. Let the Trump hear it. This is the reason why they went to Turkey to hire Turkeys to come and fight against us. While there are a lot of Boko Haram, there are a lot of Islam, ISIS, in Borno, other states terrorizing the area, killing innocent people.
Yes,
certain churches are ablaze, certain schools are ablaze, adopting people, calling money. Now I want to ask the world this question. The question that I want to ask the world: how many schools have we adopted their students in Biafra?
Ask them.
How many churches? How many churches have we set ablaze in Biafra land? How many that they so-called? How many that they so-called mosque have we set ablaze in Biafra land?
Ask them.
How many billion pound have we adopted? How many people have we killed in this land? Rather, it is all those Igbo flavor like Udele, somebody like Ikenguru Uru nonsense, somebody like king of the what is that?
Benjamin and Madubugo. All of them.
Benjamin and Maribugo, and the rest of them. This so-called this informant.
Van Vika.
That's why your man at US that says he's a pastor. That is what woman that calls himself a pastor. With this idiot that calls himself Ebe Kwodi Karriakaria. These are the ones they have adopted. These are the ones that they have bought. They have given them a huge amount of money just to terrorize Alibo. We can never be a terror in our own mother's land. Now, it is there. The word here is very simple. It's very simple. What we are only asking for is for referendum dates. But without it, let military Bamut and get out of our land. They will see everywhere will be calm.
Yes.
Let them release Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpan. Nnamdi Kanu is the only solution to all these problems. And it wants to be the only solution to all these. Let them release Onyendu. And this time, every Monday is locked down. Lock until Onyendu is out. That is the order from the post. That is the order from the Major General. That is the order from the Major General. Alibo with the lock and key. Let it make known to our people. Let it make known to our people. Because we love our people so much. And we love their courage these days. And listen, Jamaica came up by the order we received from Onyendu that period of time. And we keep the order. Without knowing that these people have planned another way around. Now I understand the reason why Simon Ekpan USA, Nnamdi Kanu was appointed by God for him to say what he was saying.
Yes.
We kept calm, and these people see it group war wherever. It means that they don't need peace in this southeast.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they don't.
They don't need peace. And thank God, don't how I gotta wake here the lions. I go to the they came and wake us up. and they will see the end of it.
He said,
They must see the end of it until they will release, until they release Nnamdi Kanu. If they fail not to release Nnamdi Kanu, any Igbo man, any Igbo woman, any Igbo man, any Igbo youth, girl and boy, should shift at home on Monday.
City boy, you're no city boy. City boy, you're no city boy.
We never even count on all those selfish. Is it not something that happened during when this Tinubu, this one that called himself a president, that calls himself a president. When he was the same city boy that he had.
When they destroyed one of the city boy vans.
Don't worry. We know all of them and we are watching them. We know all of them and we are watching them. Money is not everything. They are so selfish. They don't know what they are doing. All of them has been bought. Ego challenge their leader. So their plans. I get married now. Because if we are down now, if we miss this track now, we can never make it. If we miss this track now, we all are gone.
Gone. Yes.
Contract and he will die on that contract.
Yes.
He said,
they will never provide.
I don't know the reason why. I don't know the reason why they are calling Charles Soludo. I don't know the reason why they are calling that homo. Call himself a Charles Soludo. One work homo, yawa homo. A lot of the Shah who want your Baru, Yakwa Odrendo.
A man that answers the mother's name. He doesn't have a father.
He doesn't. He is a now. He knows that he's a. It was one day. Then now, Baga, you go. Where Bakura Hajala to watch him.
I
get Melab Lobodai. I get Men Tachala Cochalo.
Yes.
DNA must be approved in our land. They are watching all of them. I agree with Child. We are watching them. So, dear friends, keep on pushing.
Thank you.
We must keep on pushing. Remember, I want to move one Yoshi. Nana Muku Butos or one Yoshi. All the whole major generals want to Biafra land. I thought that by now we have been a dead person. I cannot tell our point. Yale mind over that too much.
Yes.
So at least, but with God's intervention, we are alive today. I did that one all alone. When they go Biafra, that these people, their hands are clean.
Almost held Biafra. They have no choice.
And when you are working on we must defend the motherland. So please, Biafra, Biafrans and the entire world. His Excellency, Donald J. Trump, look into Biafra matter. Remember, it is a promise. Remember, Nnamdi Kanu is also your son.
Yes.
We are not a terrorist. It is our brothers that call themselves a Muslim that are attacking us as terrorists. Because we did not give that, we did not give space for them, for their masters to sneak in. And we can never allow them to sneak in our land.
Yes.
All those nonsense that they are doing is in that north and in the south, Yoruba land. They can never try it in Igbo land. Yes, we are alive. They can never try it. And they are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that they achieve the goal of their masters because of the bribe they have taken from all those Fulani caliphates. But we say no to them. That is why they are attacking us terrorists, criminals, kidnappers. I never kidnapped in my life. And I'm a kidnapping. And I know I have never sold any woman organs in my life.
God forbid. Yes.
So I am here live and to tell my people that Biafra have come to stay. And we must fight to actualize Biafra. Biafra lose, I knew allowed to back. And we come back.
Yes.
And this time around, they never pick up us.
That's it. The spirit of Ikonso is in you.
Yes.
Not even only the spirit of Ikonso. Ikonso was my master, and I am revenging for him.
Yes.
I am revenging for Ikonso.
Yes.
What was the matter that he will kill me the same way he killed Ikonso? He can never kill me now.
Ever.
And remember something for me. Let me